Hello friends. Today we will see that how to download Dev C++ in Windows. So let's start it. First of all, open a Chrome browser and search Dev C++ download official site. Open the first link of the website. Scroll down and download Dev C++ version 6.3. Click on the download button and wait for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open the downloaded folder by double-clicking on it. Choose the downloaded folder and extract the file. I am extracting the file with the help of WinRAR software. You can extract the file with any extracting software. After extracting the file, double-click on extracted file and open it. After opening the file, the software will run automatically. Then select language and click OK. Then the license agreement will display. If you want to read this information, you can read it. And then click I agree button. Here check the all checkboxes is selected. Then click next. After that, choose the path where you install the software and click install. After installed all the files, click the finish button and the software will automatically run. After that, you can customize the software interface. Here you can choose color and theme according to you. I am selecting color Visual Studio Dark Color. And for theme I select Black Pearl theme. And click next. The setup of Dev C++ is completed. Now we can use these software and create a first C program, that is Hello World. Click on the new document. First, we will increase the font size. Go to the tools and select the editor option. Then click on fonts, adjust fonts according to you. And click OK. Now we can do our first C program. First we input head and extension, that is #include stdio.h. Then we will use integer main function and open a curly brackets. Now we can add comment // first C program. Comment is very helpful for back-end programmer. We can add 2 more basic comments. That is // start and // end. Inside these comments we will do coding. Now we input print function. Brackets open and close. Double inverted comma. Hello world. And at the end semicolon. Semicolon is the sign of instruction end. Now we can save the code. Click on the file save option and saved it in a folder and give the name to the folder. I am giving the first C program name to the file and saved it. Now we can run the program. Click on execute and select compile and run option. Then the program will automatically compile and run. Here is the output of the code. Hello world. If you are interested in coding and you want to become a coder, then join us. Don't miss out a weekly new video and a daily shorts. Make sure you subscribe the channel. Leave a like and comment below if you have a query. Follow me on Instagram, CoderKing. Thanks for watching.